Hi, Ahava. I can't wait to be with you this weekend. I will be giving the message on Sunday morning. I look forward to seeing you there. And as an extra special treat for really all of us, myself included, on Saturday morning, I'm giving a workshop called Embracing the Third Way. It's this Saturday, June 8th, from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. And I am really looking forward to this conversation with y'all. This is one of my most favorite topics. And it really is just a chance for us to come together to look at the ways in the world that we tend to have either or thinking, this idea of either my way is right or wrong. And if my way's right, then your way has to be wrong. And if your way's right, then my way has to be wrong. And you can see it gets really sketchy really quick. So instead, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about paradox and this idea of both ands thinking. And most importantly, we're going to be discussing how to do that. How do we step out of either or thinking and step into both ands thinking? That's what it means to be in the third way, to walk the third way. So let's do that together this weekend. Let's come together. Let's discuss what the third way is and how to do it and how to live it out in our lives and how to just have maybe just a little bit more grace and ease and gentleness and fun and exploration and all of those beautiful, brilliant things that we're always talking about in Science of Mind. I look forward to seeing you there this Saturday, June 8th, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Anybody and everybody is welcome. You don't have to have any knowledge of really anything. Just show up and let's play together. Can't wait to see you there.